Yo bro, I heard you got one of them cars with a nitrous oxide engine, V8, 6 I don't even know where I'm I had absolutely no idea where I was going with that intro, but if I had the Sony AX8000 receiver with CarPlay and Android Auto, I'd know exactly where I was going. Now that may have been cringeworthy, but what's not cringeworthy is this new receiver from Sony, which is actually pretty cool. So first, let's get the basics out of the way. If you have an older car that doesn't have a receiver built inside, and you want to be able to take advantage of navigation, or want to more easily integrate your iPhone and or Android phone, this new receiver has plenty to offer. Coming in at a massive 9 inches, this touchscreen receiver is fully compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, meaning you can throw all kinds of apps on there, your own navigation, as well as contacts, phone number, music streaming, and other little apps. And for those looking for something a little bit simpler and don't want to connect their smartphones, you still get the full array of navigational devices like support for Google Maps, music player, and even those who have a fancy backup camera can actually integrate it directly into this receiver. Now 9 inches, this is the largest receiver Sony's ever made for the car. And because of that, unlike their previous models, which the display would actually get folded into the car where you wouldn't be able to tell if there was a navigation screen, this unit has the display sticking out at all times. But there's a good reason for that beyond the fact that it's a massive screen which wouldn't really be able to fold inwards. With this new receiver, Sony wanted to make interacting with it much easier and safer while driving. And so because of that, this new screen can both tilt and come forward and backwards, meaning that you can place it at the most optimal location for you to be able to both glance at it and use the touchscreen capabilities while driving. Other features of this receiver include Bluetooth 5.0, which makes it easy to stream any kind of music, 455 watt amps, which will ensure that your music sound good and that they'll be able to drive any kind of speaker system that you have, a Sirius XM app built in, and ability to make and receive calls as well. For anyone who really has an older car, but they want to bring some of the functionality of modern devices, this seems like a winner. Not only is the unit safer to use and offers a massive screen that you can easily look at, but again, the inclusion of CarPlay and Android Auto is a huge plus. As someone who utilizes CarPlay daily on their car, I can tell you that once you have something like that up and running, you'll never really want to go back to using stock navigation systems. And this offers your choice of Android or iOS support. The AX8000 is priced at $600 and should be available this November in North America and Europe. Because there's absolutely nothing cooler than being able to hold down a button while driving and either bringing up Google Assistant or Siri and asking it to do things on your behalf, like sending someone a text message, opening your garage door, or playing some music for you. That's also in my book a big safety feature as well, because it means I can keep my eyes on the road while the assistant does everything for me. And again, this receiver supports all of that. Now, what I hope you guys do is you use your own internal navigation system and hover your finger over the subscribe button and click it many times. But remember, each time you click it, it'll first subscribe and then unsubscribe and then subscribe and then unsubscribe. So make sure you land on when it's fully subscribed. Don't unsubscribe, please. And after you have subscribed, go ahead and navigate over to that bell button so you'll be notified the next time I post a video. So you'll be all like driving and everything, and suddenly Siri pops up and it's like, she's got a new video, and you're like, oh, and you swerve and then you crash, and that'd be terrible. So maybe don't hit the, no, you know what? Go ahead and hit the bell button. It makes me happy. And if you want to really make me happy, go ahead and hit that heart button on Facebook and or Instagram, because you want to make me happy.